Previously at the sandbox.
Mike, you're killing my minutes, bro. Hey, wait, what are you doing? Oh my goodness gracious. Yo. Progress report. Here we are, another day at the sandbox. I asked Mike to put picked up some rock with the loader, got it really close to the fence. So when I was fixing that, freaking arm went out on the skid steer. One of the, come on, I'll just show you. See this thing right here? See that? That came out of back there somewhere. I think it goes right there, look, right there. Right there. This should be right there, and it looks like it just came off. So once we get this fixed, we'll be back on grading. Literally called them 10 minutes ago, they're already here. Well, they're literally neighbors. They're like 5-10 minutes away from here, but they're always really fast.
And the pin's bent a bit.
Oh yeah?
There should be a keeper on the backside there too.
A keeper. Yeah, of course. That should have been there. The hell's a keeper? What we got here is a big piece of steel that if I hit you in the head with it, it's gonna hurt. It's bent. How did it bend?
Well, we got one part that we don't have available today.
Okay.
But I can get everything ordered and we can have it all in the morning.
Okay. No big deal. That's awesome. All right. Kind of struggling with the arms of the skid steer to move to one side, and he's trying to realign it. And man, we need to get this thing fixed. The skid steer is like one of those tools that, it's like a Swiss Army knife. It does everything. It does everything. And to have a skid steer down, you don't want that. Not a good morning. I burned my lips and I'm eating a burned burrito. But we got the skid steer fixed. We could get to work. Hey Trevor, where are you headed to? What do you think? Tell me. Let's reason with one another.
I checked back there this morning. It still seems a little wet. There's still a lot of wet spots.
Okay, check this out. Concentrate here in the front.
Okay.
All this area right here.
All right.
All that right there. Just try to bounce it so like that we get rid of all this mud.
You want me to bounce?
No. Just
okay,
do
just
what we'll bounce after we realize that. Is he hooked in? Are you hooked in correctly? Lift it up. Turn it. Okay, you're awesome. Okay. Oh, literally shit. Yo, why do these dogs have to poop right here? They got 14 acres to take a shit, and they shit right in front of the door. Yo. Progress report. Even though we had the struggles of the skid steer being broken, but Jancy hooked us up and fixed it right away, and we got a lot done. It was an uphill battle, but we are in the game. Tomorrow's another day. We live to fight another day. I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Hasta la vista, baby. Mr. Hermer's checking out.